Hi, what's up guys? It's me Anna Fan from techaply. Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm quickly show you how to fix the slip by chain. So let's get started. Obviously, I'm not a professional biker, and here I have a very regular bike. I want to show you as a demo how to do it quickly and just under 2 minutes. Okay. The first step we're gonna do is we're gonna put part of the chain onto the rear derailleur. Next step, you're gonna use your hand and pull the other part of the chain and put it onto the front derailleur. Just put it a little bit only. The last step, you're gonna bring up the bike a little bit and unclockwise rotate it. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos later on. Bye for now.